Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm making strawberry freezer jam. You will need 2 cups of crushed strawberries, 3/4 cup of water, 6 tablespoons of Ball Real Fruit Classic Pectin, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 4.5 cups of sugar, and some containers to put your jam in. First, take your caps off of your strawberries. Next, you want to crush your strawberries. I have a food processor. You can use a blender or just mash them up by hand. Next, you add your lemon juice to your strawberries. I'm doubling this recipe. Stir that into your strawberries. Add this mixture to your sugar and make sure you stir it up really good. Then set this aside for 10 minutes. Next, you'll add your water and pectin to a saucepan. You could also use Sure-Gel to make this, but you'll need to follow the instructions on the back of the box for it. You need to bring this to a full rolling boil that cannot be stirred down. You need to stir constantly, then set your timer for 1 minute. Add your pectin mixture to your strawberry and sugar mixture and stir for 3 minutes. Next, ladle your jam into your containers. Leave a 1/2 inch of headspace for expansion whenever it freezes. You could use canning jars or any kind of container. I'm just using these since it's just for the freezer. Then you need to just loosely apply your lids and then set them in the refrigerator for no more than 24 hours. Then put your lids on and either store in your fridge for 3 weeks or in the freezer for 1 year. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.